Hi guys, Ate Kate here, and this is the story how I passed my civil service exam. Sinabi ko po sa aking shorts na pumasa ako dahil inuna ko si Lord, and also, syempre, meron akong mga work doon. I reviewed every day for my exam, like mga 2 to 3 or 4 hours a day. I watched many videos. So my first tip is, number 1, always put God first. Yes, hindi siya negotiable. So, dapat talaga nating unahin si God sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. And number 2 is to really review. Maglagay ka talaga ng time para mag-review. And one thing that I did is I printed a lot of exam, and then I will answer it with time. Kasi nga, sa mga civil service exam talaga ay meron ka lang 3 hours for like 150 or 180 items. I don't remember much, but sobrang nakaka-pressure yung time. So, kailangan mo talagang maging mabilis mag-solve sa math, sa English, everything to practice. Practice with time para sanay ka na dun sa time pressure. Number 3 is, this is just my suggestion, but watching tutorials, how to do abstract, how to do math, how to answer grammar questions. I recommend yung YouTube channel ni Ma'am Leonaline, yung YouTube channel ni Ma'am Laika. I also watched maraming vocabs, like 100 vocabulary, ganyan na madalas na lumalabas sa exam, and then habang naliligo or habang nasa jeep or nasa public ka, yun yung papakinggan mo para at least hindi ka nagsasayang ng time at may natututunan ka. And it really helps to find the help from those people na meron talagang knowledge how to solve math, lalo na sa math. And don't force yourself too much na isolve yung problem na hindi mo naman kayang isolve. Alamin mo kung paano isolve. And then isolve mo siya ulit. And then kapag hindi mo pa rin alam, alamin mo ulit. Don't stress out like, ayoko na, hindi ko nakakamasahog. Ano ba yan? Just really try to know how, and then you'll try again. Number 4 is to know the subjects well. Ano yung lalabas? Huwag kang mag-review ng basta-basta na kung ano yung maanas. Makita mo lang, oh, baka kasama to sa exam. Actually, hindi pala. So, sayang lang yung time. Maging knowledgeable ka sa mga lalabas sa exam. Ng maraming videos, maraming mga tips online para hindi ka suntok sa buwan na gumagawa ka nga pero hindi naman dun sakto, hindi naman lalabas pala sa exam. So, well, and number 5 is, this is really a big help, guys. So, try to make a Khan Academy account and then answer and watch those tutorials there. Meron silang grammar, meron silang SAT, meron sila, ano ba yung mga madalas ako dun eh. Tsaka math, basta mga history, reading comprehension, like, sobrang matitrain talaga kayo. Sobrang ganda talaga siya. Dapat pala, alam ko na yun dati pa. Pero actually, I didn't use that for my civil service exam. But now that I know, I want to help you guys. Sobrang ganda nung Khan Academy. Libre lang siya and sobrang fun. Because kakaroon ka ng maraming games doon. And while having fun, you're learning and you're collecting points. So, and napapractice ka niya. After ng tutorial, meron dong test. Libre lang siya. So, napapractice ka talaga and pwede mong balikan yung tutorial kapag hindi mo pa rin gets. So, it could really help you. Number 6 is to mag-prepare ka sa exam. Gumising ka ng umaga, alamin mo ka ng mga kailangan mong dalhin, kumain ka ng maayos, and then matulog ka ng maayos. You will really do well on your exam. So, yun lang. I think I will add more if meron pa akong mga ideas na pwede kong sabihin sa inyo and mas detalyado. But for now, yun lang muna. God bless sa exam mo. Galingan mo. Kaya mo yan. And by the grace of God, pawasa tayo. God bless and Ate Kate out.